Hello everyone, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. Today we're checking out this smart door lock. So guys, first of all, you can scan the codes to find the how-to videos. Also, the link is also inside the manual for going to how-to. So let's go ahead and show you guys the door locks here. So fingerprint scanning, and this allows it to automatically open and you just turn it. So instead of funneling for your keys, you just simply put your thumbprint on it and it recognizes, and then you just turn it off and open up your door. This is the other handle for this one. So this would be your inside. So you have the button to do it. The outside's the only one that will recognize and it will light up and show you. So let's go ahead and show you guys the mechanism. So you got your deadbolt right there. You got all your brackets in here. So they give you everything that is needed to get it started. So again guys, refer to your manual for the installation, but overall very nice looking. Once we replace our doors, we're going to go ahead and install these. So underneath here is where you put the keys. So if you want to manually override it, they do give you 2 keys and it's under the outside door. So you can unlock it just through that. Also for charging, right up in here, you can charge it just right there. To access the battery bay, you go ahead and take the screw out and pop this panel off, and then you're going to go ahead and put your batteries inside there. So guys, you put your batteries in here, and this is where you're going to access where you connect to. So on your other one, you're going to have this little line here. You're going to feed that line through the cable, through the hole right through here. So you're only going to feed the line through when you have this one half installed. So you're not going to feed it through before you even start. You're going to wait until this is half installed. Once this one is installed, the outside one is installed, you then run the cable through your door, and then you're going to connect it right in there, and then you're going to put your batteries in here, and it's going to take 4 AAA batteries. Make sure you have brand new batteries. All 4 should be brand new. So recommend to either buy a brand new pack or test 4 batteries to make sure they're all fully charged. And that's it. You then put it back on, and that's it. That's all you got to do. Follow the manual for the rest of the steps.